If you're experiencing FPS drops in GTA 5, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to reduce the strain on your system. Navigate to the settings menu and decrease options like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This can significantly improve FPS. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Updated drivers can enhance performance and fix bugs that may cause FPS drops. Step 3. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help improve performance and stability. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing more power to be allocated to GTA 5, which can help reduce FPS drops. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. Go to Control Panel Power Options and select the High Performance plan. This setting ensures that your system is using maximum resources for gaming. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing GTA 5. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.